What's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering course, where in this video we'll be discussing a type of prompt engineering, and that is known as short prompting, which are zero shot prompting, one shot prompting, and few shot prompting. So before starting this video, let me just demonstrate this lab to you guys. So we'll be using prompts to get output from ChatGPT in an effective way to enhance focus and precision of our output. And also we'll be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve our output as always. So moving forward, let's just see what is short prompting. So short prompting, basically it has three variations which entail giving ChatGPT complete autonomy to generate any response with zero shot prompting. And you can place parameters, and you can give reference data as well, which happens in one and few shot prompting. So if it's still unclear, don't worry, the next example will make you guys more clear. So in zero shot prompting, you don't give any previous data or guidelines, before completing requests. So let's just say you are giving any prompt to ChatGPT, right? So for zero shot prompting, you won't be giving any previous background details or any other information. So you will straight away get into your prompt without any extra information or any extra detail. But in one shot prompting, you are only allowed to give only one piece of data or guideline to complete the request. And similarly for few shot, obviously by the name is suggested, you can add multiple pieces of data or guidelines to complete your request. So yeah, I hope it gets clear to you guys. And let's just now move forward and see what's the prompt formula for 0, 1, and few shot prompting. So for zero shot prompting, you straight away write prompt with no reference. That's the formula for that. And for one shot prompting, you put one example or one reference, and then straight away after that, you give your prompt related to that example or reference. And in few shot, obviously, you use examples 1, 2, 3, or as many as you want as your reference, and then you write that prompt related to that reference. Alright, so these will be a few of the examples that we'll be doing in today's lab. So without further ado, let's just jump right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so here I am with my ChatGPT open, and first of all, we'll see how the zero shot prompting works. So I'm just gonna give it an example to write me a YouTube script for my tech review channel. So in this example, as you guys can see, I didn't give any information or further anything what is my topic for my tech review channel, or what gadget am I reviewing in. So yeah, I didn't give any information. So yeah, let's just see how ChatGPT will get output for this. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see with my first example of zero shot prompting, didn't give me a YouTube script for any specific topic or any specific gadget. It just provided me a template which I have to edit and fill it up according to my need, which is quite a bit of a hustle if you ask me. And yeah, so this is not something clear, maybe topics, or you can say the things he provided in this, or maybe I'm not in the need of that. So yeah, this is a very, you can say, undirectional way of using ChatGPT with just zero shot prompting. So if we move forward, let's just do our second example, which was one shot prompting. So for that, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT now to write me a YouTube script for my tech review channel related to the latest iPhone. So yeah, in this I just provided one kind of information or reference, which is for the latest iPhone. So let's just see whether it will improve the output for us this time or not. So let's just hit enter and see that. Alright, yeah, so now you can see as soon as I provided with a little bit of information, was just one reference, which is latest iPhone. It just provided me a complete, first of all, you start off with the unboxing. Then you can do a footage of iPhone packaging, and now it is a little bit more precise, but you cannot say that's a perfect way of using ChatGPT, or that's a perfect way to master your prompt engineering techniques. So still, as I told you guys earlier as well, the more you put effort into ChatGPT, the more you're gonna prompt ChatGPT, the more best kind of outputs you're gonna gain from AI. So yeah, let's just now move forward and do our last example, which was few shot prompting, where we'll be providing more than one reference to ChatGPT, and we'll try to get the best output possible. Alright, so this time I said ChatGPT to write a 5-minute YouTube script on the latest iPhone. Camera specification for my tech review channel. Start with a 10-second hook and notate a phone for each main point. So yeah, as you guys can see, I provide multiple kind of information and reference to ChatGPT now. I said you need to make a 5-minute YouTube script that is one reference. Then I have the second one as latest iPhone camera specification. Then I have third one to make a 10-second hook and notate a photo for each main point. So yeah, we have like 3 to 4 references in this example. So let's just hit enter and see like whether we'll get a perfect output for that or not. Alright, yeah, so now you can see like, I got the perfect output from ChatGPT just the way I wanted. So this is all for the iPhone camera in this example because I wanted to make a script on the latest iPhone camera specifications. So first of all, it says you need to go for the high resolution capture. Then we have a stunning cityscape photo to display on screen. Then we have a little bit of information about night mode. Then we have for portrait mode as well. And then we have for ultra wide angle, which is also very important. And then we have for advanced video capabilities. And with that, now I can say like, I did use ChatGPT in a very perfect way, providing as much information as required. And, to get the best output possible from ChatGPT, that's the way to use AI in my view, You should prove to be more knowledgeable to AI. I know you need to give like as many information as possible to get that perfect and the best outcome possible. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to watch more videos on this course, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.